Hello friends, hope you're all doing great. If you're watching my video for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are making a face mask and a hair mask with a natural ingredient called flax seeds. Flax seeds have several nutrient benefits used in Ayurveda also. It has a rich source of fiber, also omega-3 fatty acids and high source of vitamin E and many antioxidants, also fibers. These are very good for skin, hair and health also, and for nails also you can use. Let's make the flaxseed gel. This can be used for hair, skin and nails also. So for this I have taken 5 tablespoons of flax seeds in a bowl. You will get golden and brown color, two types of flax seeds. You can use any of these which are available in the supermarkets and online also. Take the saucepan, on the low flame add 1.5 glasses of water. Once the water started boiling, add these 5 tablespoons of flax seeds into the water, and on the low flame let's stir it for some time. After 10 to 15 minutes it starts boiling. We can see this boiling water is turning to a gel form with a thick consistency. You can see it is very thick and looks like gel. Let's stir it for another 10 minutes. This is what the thick consistency you can see. Off the stove now and let it cool down for a few minutes. Now you have to remove the gel when it is little warm itself. So take a vessel and a cotton cloth and take out the liquid from the vessel and squeeze the liquid out of it. This is the thick consistency you can see. This is the gel we got, and always store this in a container like this, and you can freeze it in the refrigerator and use it for many times. This gel can be used now for the hair and skin, also for the nails also. Now let's make the face mask with this gel. This I have taken flaxseed gel, flaxseed powder, besan powder, turmeric, honey, lemon and coffee powder. It suits for all skin textures. Depending on your skin texture you can use your different ingredients. Right now I am taking 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder, 1 spoon besan powder, and also I am using honey, 1 small spoon, and if the lemon and the turmeric, if it suits to your skin, you can add that also. I am taking 2 tablespoons of this gel and mix it properly and make a thick paste. For a sensitive skin you don't need to apply the lemon juice or turmeric powder. it may not suits. And I'm taking a 1 tablespoon of coffee powder also in this, which removes the tan also from the skin. So basically this pack removes tan, also it hydrates skin and also provides instant brightness and moisturizes your skin. Because of its antioxidants and vitamin E properties, it repairs the skin damage. Also it tightens loose skin, brightens, removes the tanning, and it suits for all skin types. Make a thick paste so that this can be used as a face mask. Also you can use it as a scrub. So before applying this, wash your face and then apply on your face. So right now I'm showing this on my hand. I just wash my hand and applying like a thick layer. So you just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes till the time it gets dried. After 15 minutes it is dried completely. Now start little scrubbing. Apply little water, gently scrub it all over the face in a circular motion. And wash your hand with water. You can see it is removing the tan instantly. It became so soft and shiny and removed the tan instantly. You can see for both the hands. So once you wash it, apply the moisturizer immediately to protect your skin. I applied this for my husband also on the palm. You can see the visible difference here. Seed gel can be applied for the hair also. It has a high nutrients which is great for scalp health, dry scalp. Also it reduces the hair damages because of its omega-3 fatty acids which are essential for hair growth. It has a fiber which nourishes your hair follicles, also reduce your thinning of hair. Apply this gel all over your hair from scalp to the root and leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour and wash your hair with the shampoo. It works like a mask and conditioner also. Hope you like the video and try this for yourself at home and let me know the results in the comment box. Also please like, share and subscribe to my channel.